Jackson. We tried. Oh, what a handsome boy. You're a handsome, handsome boy. Hi. Hi, sweetheart. Look how pretty you are. Yeah? I saw you making muffins before. Yes, I did. Yes, I did, huh? Hi. Hey. Huh? What's that? What's that? Hi. Aww. That's the boy. You're very playful, aren't you? That's the boy. Huh? You're a doll. You've got beautiful green eyes. Beautiful green eyes. That's a boy. You got stripes and all sorts of things going on here. All right, it's a boy. Say bye, Jackson.